This beautiful brown soap was made without no color, no sugar nor glycerin. It was made with few ingredients and bleached palm oil. And I also used my PVC pipe as my mold. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make this brown soap without no sugar nor color, and I will also show you how you can use PVC pipe as a mold. Let's get started and watch to the end. I'll be using 500 ml of bleached palm oil, followed by my lye solution. Here is my lye solution, and in my lye solution I added my soda ash to the lye solution. This lye solution is still very hot. Before adding my soda ash to it, you have to note that I'm not using cold lye solution. I use hot lye solution. We are working with semi-hot process, and immediately I add my soda ash into the lye solution. I stir it until it dissolves. After it dissolves, I added it into my bleached palm oil. You can see immediately I added it into my bleached palm oil, and as I added it to the bleached palm oil, I continue stirring it. This is semi-hot process soap. In any soap production, especially if you are a beginner and if you want to get it right, make sure your oil temperature, your lye solution, and your soda ash, or maybe calcium sulfate if you are adding that one, make sure it's of the same temperature. That is where it will be easier for you to get to a perfect trace without having issue of separation or what. So you can see that I added my soda ash into my hot lye solution. I don't want to mix it separately because I'm only using the two ingredients. I'm not adding calcium carbonate. I'm not adding sulfates. You can add if you want, but in this production, I'm not adding. I make use of my lye solution and just soda ash. And as I added it, I continue stirring it. You can see that we have light trace, but when you continue stirring it, in no time it will thicken up. You will get to your thick trace. So I continue stirring it. This is 100% bleached palm oil, but there's a way you can bleach your oil to get this color. And if you want to know the secret of how you can bleach your oil to get this particular color, kindly join my advanced class today. Put your eye on the screen. You can see that there's changes in the batter. So the light trace now is getting thicker. Then I continue stirring it. Just make sure you follow the same procedure if you want to get exactly what I get. I continue stirring it. I use just 3 ingredients here: my bleached palm oil, my lye solution, and soda ash. With these 3 ingredients, you can pour it into the mold if you want at this point. But I'm still adding other ingredients, which is optional. You choose to add or you may not add it. I added my alcohol, which is my ethanol. I added just 15 ml of alcohol. And as I added it, I continue stirring it. You can see that immediately I add the alcohol, you can see the changes. You see the texture is shining, very silky and shiny. So I continue stirring it. The batter is so beautiful. You can see it's yummy, it's looking yummy. But make sure you keep all this chemical out of the reach of the children and your pets. Then the next thing I added is my hardener. I use salt as my hardener. I added my salt to it, and as I add it, I continue stirring it. You need to see this soap after 24 hours. You need to see how strong this soap is. Very, very strong. This is another profitable formula. This will give you profit because you use just little ingredients. And what you see me adding now is my foam booster. This is my homemade foam booster, the foam booster I made myself. You can watch the video here. Watch the video how I made my foam booster. So I added my foam booster to it, then I stir it together. You can see the trace is thick now. We have a very thick trace now. It's ready to go into the mold. Remember, we have added hardener to this. Immediately we add it, it will start thickening up. And also we use a very hard oil, which is palm oil. Our bleached palm oil is hard oil. So now our batter is ready to go into the mold. You can see I added it I pour it into my mold, and I use the PVC mold. I promise to show you how I made this mold before adding my soap batter into it. Just continue washing. As a beginner, you can start your soap business with this mold. No need of buying expensive mold. You can get this PVC pipe with those people that are selling building materials. Those people that are selling ceiling, asbestos, sink, and toilets materials like that. Go to them. Tell them you want a PVC pipe. Then you will get something like this. It's not all that costly. Then you can get it as many as you want. Use this as your mold. You can use it to start your soap business. It's very, very simple. Yours is to look for a knife, then cut it because it's not open. You have to find means of opening it. If you try to cut it and you see that maybe it's strong, it's not easy for you to cut, you can put your knife, put it on the fire, heat up the knife. If the knife is hot enough, then you put it, you will easily cut it the way, anyhow you want it, any size. Then make sure you make the opening. Just use your initiative. Open it. After opening it, the next thing is to block the edge. And this is how my son was able to block the edge for me. Cut off use slippers. This thing that you see him putting inside nylon now is he used slippers. He measured it with the mouth of the mold and he used scissors to cut off the slippers. Then now wrap that cotton with a nylon and place it at the edge of the mold. He set it, he make sure it fits the head of the mold. Make sure it's tightened down very well, that you will not have any space of soap coming out from that place. Then after that, the remaining nylon, and you tie it by the side. It's very simple as this. So you too, you can do it this way and you can choose to do it other way around. But the most important thing is for you to block the edge so that your soap will not pour out from there. You block the first edge and the second edge. So now let's moving on. I think by now you should start liking this video, comment and share this video. Share it so that other people too can see this video and learn from it. So this is my soap 24 hours after, and I've unmolded it from the mold. You can see that it's very easy to unmold. So just take a look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. This mold is just 100% set. No need of extra strength. No need of looking for cutter here and there. With this, you can use your knife, cut it to the size you want. You can see the bars of soap that 500 mils of bleached palm oil gave us. It's amazing. This is another profitable formula. Big bags of soap that you can sell more than 500 naira. You can see how strong and heavy it looks. So if you want to get the complete recipe of this soap, this brown soap, kindly join my advanced class. DM me, come into my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Just give me a message on WhatsApp and I will put you through how you will join our advanced class with just checking in money. At least you have learned a lot in this very tutorial. I've teach you how to use your PVC mold. Come to my advanced class, then you will learn more about soap making. Take a look at this soap 24 hours after and look at the foaming. It's foam, in fact, it's ladder like magic. You can see. Look at the small one I used to wash the clothes. Look at how foamy it is and strong as well. This is just 24 hours after I made the soap. Look at how strong it looks. Using it to wash, and yes, it's not dissolving. To tell you that it lasts longer. So if you make this kind of a soap, supply to your customers, I believe they will ask for more. And with all these few ingredients, you see that you make more profits. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like, comments, and share. Your bell will notify you whenever we drop another amazing video just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.